Hello friends, we are going to see the demo of how to increase font size in Python IDLE. So this is my Python IDLE. IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. So here you can go to option and select configure IDLE. A window will get open. The first tab is fonts and tabs. Here in the bottom you will find the option for size. So you will select the size you want to increase. You can increase the size. Now I increase to 34. I'm selecting apply and OK. Now the font size got increased. If I want to make this font as a bold, go to option configure IDLE. Here we'll select the bold option. Okay. When I apply and select OK, the font will get bold. If you want to change the font type, go to option configure IDLE and various font types are given here. Now I am selecting it to Times New Roman. Select apply and OK. Now the font size is changed to Times New Roman. So this is the way to increase the font size in Python IDLE. This is interactive mode. When I open the script mode, go to file, new file. Okay. When you type, you will find the font size also changed in the script mode too. That's it. In this video, we have discussed how to change the font size in Python IDLE. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.